Okay guys, so very quickly in this video I will be walking you guys through on the step-by-step process you will follow in order to successfully commit your BNB towards the LAZIO fan token allocation. You understand? The subscription phase is starting on the 21st of October 2021, so you have to keep the date and be aware of that. So before I continue, LAZIO fan token isn't available for sale in any exchange for now. You have to be aware of scammers because there are a lot of people going around scamming people of their hard-earned money. So be aware, play smart, be safe. You understand? As at the time of making this video, LAZIO fan token isn't available for sale anywhere yet. It will be available on the 21st of October 2021, and the first place is going to be available is on the Binance platform. So be safe, and yeah, so feel free to join our Telegram community. We have some great investors here, intelligent investors. We answer questions regarding crypto investment. We drop signals, both what was it called, listing signals and signals for trading. So feel free to join. The link to this community will be in the description of this video and also in the comment section of this video. So before I proceed, the minimum amount of BNB you are to commit should be 0.1 BNB. You understand? But if you ask me, I would say in my own opinion, I would advise you to have above $80 to $100 worth of BNB to be at the safer side. Good, because maybe we don't know how the LAZIO fan token is going to be. It might be a bit different from the better finance token distribution method. You understand? So maybe in order to be at the safer side, you have above $100 worth of BNB, and because should in case you're giving low allocation, because the amount of BNB you commit is going to determine the amount of LAZIO fan token allocation you're going to get. Like, you won't compare the amount of allocation you're getting if you commit 2 BNB to someone who is committing 20 BNB. That is, the difference is going to be massive. It's going to be much. And let me just say something here. The total hard cap per user is 20,000 LAZIO fan token. That is to say, nobody participating in this launchpad is going to be able to have above 20,000 LAZIO fan token. You understand? So that's how it is. And the final calculation is likely to be different due to the hard cap per user. Like, if you want to know the total token you will be allocated with after committing your BNB, take your pen and biro and write the formula down. The formula is you divide the number of BNB that Binance have successfully taken snapshot of. You understand? The number of the BNB divide by that is the number of your own BNB now, divide by the total committed BNB by other participants. You understand? Then multiply it by the total allocated token for the launchpad, which is, let me just say now that the BNB you're committing is 5 BNB, right? Good. And the total committed BNB, we can't tell, no one knows the total committed BNB yet until on the 21st of October 2021. You understand? Until the commitment phase have ended. That's when you will know the total number of committed BNB. For Better Finance Token, I think the total number of committed BNB was 7.3 million BNB. So we don't know how many BNB they are going to commit for this one. So here is the formula once again. Your BNB divided by the total number of BNB multiplied by the total allocation of the token. That is the total number of the token allocated for specifically for the Binance Launchpad, not the total supply or total amount of the token. Is the total number of the token specifically allocated for this launchpad. The total amount of LAZIO fan token is 40 million, and the total amount allocated for Binance Launchpad is 4 million. That is 10% of the total supply. So you have to be aware of that. Okay, so well, yeah, so since there is a hard cap per user, which is 20,000 LAZIO fan token, user that hits the hard cap, their allocation will have to be distributed to other participants with low allocation. So that's how it is. No one can go above 20,000 LAZIO fan token commitment. Okay, so I intend making this video 10 minutes. So in case it exceeds 10 minutes, I'm going to make another part of this video. So I would advise you have your BNB, everything set up at least 4 days to the commitment date to be at the safer side. I repeat, I will advise you have your BNB in your spot wallet or wherever it is in the Binance smart Binance platform. Have it ready before at least 3 days to on the 21st of October. You understand? Like, if you ask me, I would say before on the 18th of October, please, everything should be set, and you waiting for 21st. You can keep buying more, but if you're having low BNB, buy more. Like, it's not a must, you understand? You can leave the one you have, but if you wish to buy more, you can go ahead. Okay, so okay, what else? Okay, so let me just show you guys on how to go about this what was it called, commitment phase. Yeah, so I made some screenshot from the previous launchpad commitment that happened. So okay, so this is step 1. As you can see, we're having step 1 here. Step 1, the step 1 is you're going to see this is how the interface will look like. You're going to see preparation stage, like it's still on red, and you'll be seeing the countdown here. So make sure you monitor and watch the countdown so that immediately it finished reading, you can just kickstart your commitment. So here is step 2. Step 2, here is the step 2. So the step 2 is going to show you the total number of participants as at the time of you trying to commit your BNB. As you can see, the one I just said, I haven't committed my BNB towards the Better Finance token allocation. So that's why it's showing your committed BNB 0. Your maximum BNB, this one right here, your maximum BNB will be displayed here. Your maximum BNB will be displayed here, and then yeah, you can just click on commit. What you have to do now is click on commit. After clicking on commit, you'll be taken to this page, which is step 3. And the step 3, you will see your maximum commitment limit here, which is the number of BNB you are about committing. And you also see your maximum commitment limit and spot wallet balance commitment amount. So I will see wherever your token is on the Binance platform, you make sure you push it, transfer it to spot wallet, because if it's not on the spot wallet, you won't be able to commit it towards the LAZIO fan token allocation. So you have to transfer your BNB from BNB vault, maybe P2P wallet, what's it called, futures wallet, margin wallet, wherever they are on your BNB, on your Binance platform. If you are staking it, unstake it. Like if you are watching this video now is the time to unstake it and push it to your spot wallet, because you know unstaking take usually 48 hours, right? So in order not for you to miss the commitment phase, it will be advised you unstake your BNB as early as possible. So here's the step 3. After imputing the amount of BNB you want to stake here, where I just cycled, you just click on commit now. You are going to see all this, so there's nothing to worry about. Click on commit now. Then okay, they are trying to say you should confirm the BNB you want to commit. So you should see the amount of BNB you want to commit here, here, and here. So after confirming it, you click on commit now, and your BNB will be successfully committed. And yeah, here's the step 5. You will see the number of BNB you just committed. You will see the BNB here, and as you can see, it's showing locked. That is, after your BNB have successfully been committed, it will show locked. The BNB will be locked for few minutes here. So here is the total participant as at the time of me committing my BNB, and here is the total amount of BNB committed so far as at the time of me committing my BNB. Let's move to step 6 now. So step 6, you will see something like this, like reward calculation. So after committing your BNB, you will see the reward calculation phase. So you don't have to do anything here. All you have to do is wait for the next phase, which is step 7. The next phase will be the final token distribution. So you will see the amount of BNB deducted for the allocation you are to get. You understand? Good. So here is the better finance allocation I got, and on top here you're going to see the amount of BNB that is to be deducted towards the allocation you are to get. You understand? So here is the total number of BNB committed, and then here is the total number of participants that took part in the BNB commitment phase. So always take note of the time. You understand? Good. So after that, you will go to your search bar and search LAZIO there. Like, go to your search bar and search how you normally search cryptocurrency in the Binance Smart platform. Go to your search bar, search LAZIO there. You should see a timer like this. This is step 8 now. You should see a timer showing the time left for the trading to kickstart. So I would advise you stick to your phone. Make sure your internet connection is very fast, your battery is charged, because everything is going to take place very fast. So immediately it's remaining maybe 1 minute to the trading time. Stick to your phone, then make sure your hand is here. You understand? Sorry about this cock disturbing my neighbor's cock. Damn. So make sure you're set to click on sell, because the price is going to shoot up massively. You understand? So after it shoots up, you just click on sell, then it will take you to where to sell. You know how to sell already. So that's it. I don't intend making this video lengthy. So my name is Isaac once again. Please, in case you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me. For some of you that haven't subscribed, I really appreciate your love. Please subscribe before leaving this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like it help the algorithm to suggest it to other people that are finding it difficult to see content like this. And then drop your questions, your take in the comment section below. Feel free to join our Telegram community. As always, peace